Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have to go to a wedding ceremony, and for that I am going to dress myself up in Indian attire. So I have already done my nails. If you can see, part is I'm going to try something which I haven't tried earlier. Let me quickly show you what I'm going to wear for this wedding. So here is my dress. So this is what I'm going to wear for this wedding ceremony, and this is kind of palazzo, this one, and this is the dupatta I'm going to wear with this outfit. So basically it's a palazzo, but it's on a heavier side. I have never worn this kind of dress to some ceremony, so you will get to know how do I look when I wear this. So be with me till the end of this video. So let me quickly change my outfit. This is the initial look. So it got all the embroidery over here, and it is plain from the back side, and this is the pallu or the dupatta. So once I get ready, then you can see the whole look in my video. Once again I have washed my face, cleaned the dirt out, and now I am going to apply my moisturizer, which I told you was medicated in my previous video. So this is my moisturizer. This one is medicated, and this one is from Moisturized soft lotion, paraben free. So this is what I have been recommended by my dermatologist when I got face acne and all. So this is fragrance free, this is paraben free, the basic one. So I'm going to apply it. So just a small amount I'm taking in my hand, and now I'm patting my face and applying for my face.
I begin to.
Yeah. By the way, I have done my nails. It's pretty, right? Now again this one for my shade 115 from Maybelline. I'll just quickly dab on my face and neck. Blended my base on my face. It's very light. I don't use much either. So I think it looks quite fine, the natural way. So by the way, I forgot to tell you and skipped my video that before the moisturizer I applied this. This one is plain mucin from Cosrx, and I applied this one, and after that I applied my moisturizer and then my base. So this is my basic makeup base. To prep my lips up, I'm applying some lip moisturizer so that it won't dry up when I use my lipstick. It's time for my face. I'll highlight my cheekbones with this one. I have shown it in my previous videos, so I don't use much. I'll just use this one. So let me blend all up. Now this is my small mirror, so I keep on checking because I cannot do whole makeup in the camera only. So this one helps me a lot. So what I see, I have blended all my blush all over my face. again very light. It works well for my face. Now is the time for the highlighter. So I'm going to use the golden highlighter from this palette only. I also have one more highlighter in silver from Maybelline, but I will rest it today because I am wearing a golden shade, so I think gold will go good at night. So let me quickly blend it up. Now this is the final part for my face and after all the base. So this one is the setting powder, and I'm going to set and create a definition around my face with this only. Very minimum and very realistic. So I'll take this. Step I follow always, as I have a little bit collarbone showing, so I have to highlight this area to make my shoulders look good. So I'm going to take that particular highlighter and highlight it here. I don't know if my camera is picking up the thing, but it looks really cool when you do so. So just brush it up again. And please don't be stingy with the highlighter or anything. Just put all up and it will settle down in a bit. You need not to worry about that. This one. This one. Oh. These are my collarbones. Hard to find. Time for my eyes. So I'm going to prep with this Lakme 925 highlighter. I haven't used it all over my face, anywhere in my face. I mean, just I will use it on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow will plump. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette from My Glam. It opens like this. I have two of them. This one is I don't think they have a collection, but no collection name, but they have many. I'm using this one. It has little product in many compartments. So basically it has 12 eyeshadows. As I don't do makeup all the time, so I keep on buying small and little things to use when I am in need. So the first color I'm going to pick up is this one. It would be my neutralizer for today. I'm going to do this all over my. So as you can see, it's really very pigmented. In first stroke only, it has started to give me colors. Basically, my eyes are done. The base is done. Now I am going to put this golden color, which matches my outfit, to make it look more smoother. And again, right now you might think that it's a little bit more, but after I finish you will get to know that it is looking beautiful with my outfit. So this one, golden, the last shade for my eyeshadow. Yeah. A little more. Now it's time to blend. It's time for my eyes. Then I'm going to have a full eyeliner. I'm going to use Maybelline Eye Studio, which I have used in previous video also, or all of the GRWM. So I'll just use little bit of this silver eyeshadow around my eye corner to glamour my under eyes. Now is the time for my eyelashes. These are hyper curl waterproof mascara from Maybelline, and this one I'm going to use for my eyelashes. So the finishing touch is still left, and I'm going to little bit blend over my eyeshadow to make it look little bit even. So I think all is dried up. Now I'm going to blend properly. So all done. Now it's time for my brows. I have to do something, as it is a night makeup and a lighter side, but still you have to highlight your eyebrows. This is from Maybelline. It is define and blend for your eyebrows in shade dark brown. So one side it has got this one to comb your eyebrows, and another one is to shape your eyebrows. So first one, I'm going to use this brown shade to highlight my eyebrows. I think this is good enough, and now I'm going to prep my lips up for the whole look. I'm going to be using Maybelline matte ink only, 24-hour stay. Now this is in shade 20 Pioneer. So other one I used it in shade 80, and this one is 20. Now I'm going to prep my lips with Lakme lip liner. Today is a special day and it's in night. That's why I'm going to use some lip defining. To fix all this makeup, I'm going to use this makeup fixer from Faces. So it's going to give me a glittery shade, and my makeup is going to stay properly throughout the night. Quite refreshing. Now for my jewelry, I'm going to wear this one. So as this dress is very gorgeous, I'm going to use small earrings. I want my jewelry first, and then anything with my hair, so that I can do my hair according to my look. Ta-da! Nice, right? Now I have some of the jewelry which I'm going to wear today, lightweighted and chic, and I don't wear heavy jewelry, so this is the thing I'm going to wear. I'll show you one by one. So these are the things, or the bangles I'm going to wear in this hand, my left hand. Fine, it matches. For this finger, yeah. One more jewelry, as I'm wearing golden, so this would be my ring for today in my main hand. Going to match, and it's very chic. Now the other thing is the bracelet I'm going to wear today. This one from Carrot Lane. Nice and light. After all my hands and my ears, now comes my neck. So this is what I'm going to wear. Ow! Don't move, don't move. It's a very chic jewelry. Not sure how I'm going to put this up alone. Actually, due to my nails, I'm not being able to do properly. So for my hair, what I'm going to do, I'm going to straighten it with my straightener. It's from Philips. Where? Maybe I'm going to do it. Let's switch it on. So I'm going to apply this serum. This is my serum from L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. A little bit. Almost ready. I'm going to wear these shoes because it's a BA Bari. So that's why I'm doing for the perfume. I'm going to use my favorite one, Engage Fantasia.
So I'm ready and let's head out. I hope you like my video. That's all for today. Do come back for more. Until then, bye bye. Take care.